Hey guys, welcome to Code Wild, and today we are back again with the question called majority element. It's a very easy question in LeetCode. And before we start this question, there are a lot of videos which we have already uploaded in our channel. To check those videos out for more DSA questions. So yeah, let's come back to our question. So as I said, it's really very easy question. What the question is uh, the array nums of size n is given, so we have to return the majority element. What is the majority element? The element which appears more than n by 2 times. That is known as the majority element, and it's already given that majority element always exists in it. So let's come to the first example. The first example is given 3 2 3. So in this 3 appears more than n by 2, that is 3 by 2, that is more than once. So the answer is 3. In this 2 is the answer because 1 2 3 4. The length of the nums is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 by 2, that is 3. So it is appearing more than 3 times, right? Because we have 4 elements, so 2 will be our answer. So it's very easy. We can apply various methods. We can use a lot other data structures. In this I'm using map, basically unordered map for uh, I mean, if you're using map, it will take a bit more complexity than an unordered map. But since you're not sorting anything, you just have to return the element which has more than n by 2. So unordered map will be fine in this case. So let's go with it. So let's initialize, and also let's say n equal to nums dot size. And what we do is first we just in map what we are storing is we are storing the element with its count. So then we check which element has the highest the element which has more than n by 2. So that will return, that's it. So what we'll do is, as I said, we just take the element and its count in the map, nums of I plus plus, and just displaying it, saying if it dot second, because second is the count value, right? If the second value it dot second, it dot first is the number which are stored, it dot second is its count. So if it dot second is greater than n by 2, then c equal to, let's take c equal to it dot first. So let's return for c. I hope you understood what I did here. If the element which has its count more than n by 2, we are storing its value, that is the key, which value it is. So we are just returning it. So I hope everything is done. Let me just initialize C also. C can be initialized anything you want, because they have already said that the majority element always exists in an array. So you can just take it -1 or 0 or anything. However, you'll get an element C. So let's run this. It has worked. It has done. So yeah, that is pretty much it from today's video. I hope you have understood the approach. Do let me know in the comments which approach you used. And yeah, stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, and yeah, keep coding. Bye.